Jungkook had a beloved dog since he was a child. One day his pet fell ill and Jungkook was worried. He took his pet to a veterinarian, hoping to get a diagnosis and a solution. The vet examined the dog and prescribed some medications and dietary changes. Jungkook followed the instructions, but the dog's health did not improve. He took him back to the vet, who found some unusual symptoms and referred him to a specialist. The specialist told him that the dog had a rare condition which required special care. Jungkook was deeply concerned, but he was determined to fight for his pet's recovery. He administered the prescribed treatments and gave him the best nutrition he could afford. He also looked for alternative treatments, such as acupuncture, herbal tonics, and massage. He hoped he could restore the dog's health, but the condition deteriorated. Soon, the dog was unable to move and Jungkook had to leave him in the care of his parents. Jungkook was devastated, but ultimately he had to accept that his pet was dying. He held his pet one last time, then the dog passed away in peace in the loving arms of the family. Jungkook was broken, yet he managed to stay strong and honor his pet's memory. He had to go through a long healing process. Tears welled up in his eyes and his heart ached. He took a break from all the responsibilities and life went on without his furry friend. He revisited the days they spent together, longing for his dog's presence. He was grateful for the time they shared and understood that his pet was now in a better place. Months passed, and Jungkook was still mourning the loss of his furry companion. He found comfort in the memories and in the love of his family and friends. One day, he decided to adopt a new pup and give him all the love he intended to share with his former pet. Over the years, Jungkook and his new dog created precious memories. They spent nearly every day together and the bright happiness Jungkook felt in his life had returned. Jungkook was so grateful for the new joy he found in life, still remembering his beloved first pet. He was glad that he still had the opportunity to be a pet owner and devoted friend.